Blue skies and sunshine, but rain's just fine. Now, if we take the law of correspondence and we apply to if we take the law of correspondence and apply that to the Bible, especially the story of Adam and Eve, or our creation story, we'll see that certain knowledge and information is revealed. Now, when we take the garden and we correspond that to a biological or physiological aspect, the garden will correspond to the gut and the microbiome. And we know that the Bible talks about two trees that are in the garden. One was a tree that had knowledge of good and evil, and the fruit that we were not supposed to eat, the forbidden fruit. And the other tree was the tree of life. Now, when we take the Bible and we view it through the physiological aspect with the law of correspondence, then we could say that the tree corresponds to a nervous system with roots and branches. And so both of these trees are nervous systems. And if we look at biology or the physiology of a human, we see that there are two nervous systems. One is the central nervous system, and the other is the enteric nervous system, which is connected to the gut or the second brain. So we have the tree of knowledge of what? Good and evil, and the forbidden fruit. So why would fruit be forbidden? Well, on a physiological aspect, sugar causes central nervous system disruption physiologically through the gut. And that transfer of information, either good or bad, from the gut of what you eat affects directly your central nervous system or your tree of life. The central nervous system gives you life, and it is where heaven resides or God resides. So by eating of the fruit that was forbidden due to sugar and the physiological aspects of affecting the central nervous system, we fall. We dim our light. We become what we are today. Living within the earth or the gut and not the heaven. Being addicted right to the pleasures and temptations of earth or the worldly things. Trees are green.